my God.
Why aren't you recording?
I am. Oh my God. Did y'all see that naked man coming out of that bank? Welcome to Canada. Cashless tolls only. Oh. Insert credit card.
Hi. Yeah, but it said leave card inserted. No, I'll come back later and get it. Thank you. Think we're getting in?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Yeah, mask.
Open and ArriveCan.
There's just no willy-nilly traffic. Like, you have to plan what you want to do.
Right. I mean, what the actual fuck? 300 people have gone through. They run out of gas sitting here. Do they have COVID? Like, is that what's happening? Are we waiting 15 minutes for a test? Did their car die in this lane? Now everybody stopped. Are they shutting the border down because this person has COVID? They're like, that's it. Nobody else. Sorry. I don't really understand what the fuck is happening. If there's an issue, tell them to pull the fuck aside and have somebody else deal with it. If you gotta swab them, there should be a swab station. Is there nobody in the booth? Did the booth person leave?
Where's your mask on?
Because it says masks are mandatory.
In my car. Is it posted in my car anywhere?
It's posted right there.
Yeah, for here, but you're in my car.
Is it bothering you in any way? Maybe wasted all his energy in that first car.
He got pulled.
Oh, good.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Just the two of you?
Yes.
Where are you guys off to?
The casino?
Just today or overnight?
Just today.
You guys have tests.
Yes.
I should have had your
Okay.
ArriveCan.
This is hers.
Oh no.
What?
You guys didn't get a test from a lab?
No, it said the antigen rapid tests were fine on the ArriveCan thing.
From a lab.
Oh.
It doesn't say lab, I'm
Oh.
sorry.
Okay. Yeah, you need it from a lab.
Well, not today then, I
Sorry.
guess.
These were sent to us from our president.
I'm sorry.
I wondered how they were gonna, like,
Yeah, because you can get a
That's
negative
what I thought.
test anywhere.
That's what I thought too.
At least you guys didn't try to do it in front of me like some people do.
Stop.
Wait a minute, let me put this up my nose and show you.
I'm not even joking.
I believe you.
Not joking.
And some people don't even bag it. Josie Grossi.
All right.
All right.
They'll give you more information, okay?
Okay.
Whenever you guys want it.
Thank
you see
you.
the sign that says to inspection at the right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Pull under the canopy there, find a parking spot, and wait in your car. Somebody's going to come talk to you.
Thank
Okay.
Take care.
So why the fuck did it take them an hour and a half? Were they trying to do a test in front of her? I don't understand.
Hello, sir.
So, okay, they explain to you
Yeah.
everything?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll do some paperwork and we'll send you guys back to the U.S.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, we can go through all this again. There's a CVS inside the Renson.
Denied!
We did
Why?
the ArriveCan app. and on there it said that you can use the antigen rapid test. It did not say it had to be from a lab, so that's what we did. They're not pee sticks. They're antigen rapid tests.
From our president.
Yes. However, as we kind of both suspected, those are not what they want to cross the border. They need an actual piece of paper from an actual lab that shows that you have a negative test. So we went down Jefferson and found an urgent care who informed us that the closest place to test on a Saturday is in Madison Heights at 12 Mile and John R. maybe. And that we can get a test there. Anna called, they're open till 6 p.m. on Saturday, and the lady said, come on in, we'll get you tested. So we are on our way to get tested, and then we are going to try this whole border thing one more time with the proper paperwork. Thankfully, there was really not any traffic and no huge lines, except for the one that we got in that didn't move for 20 minutes. But other than that, so let's see, more to come. Hi. We called. We are looking for 2 rapid tests so we can get across the border. I feel like we just did some shady back alley shit.
We're literally in a back alley. Literally. One step closer to Canada.
We went to Madison Heights to the Get Well Urgent Care. We were in and out of there within probably 40 minutes total.
Yeah.
That include filling out paperwork, waiting to get tested, being tested, and then waiting for results. All of that. So we got gas in the meantime and a car wash, blah, blah, blah. So this is the form that you're gonna need to get in. Again, not this, but this. Well, we actually don't know that yet. We're now on our way back down.
We're not in Canada yet.
No, we're on our way back down now. So we will update as soon as we know if this paper worked. And if so, that clinic is amazing. They were super awesome, very helpful, very sweet. ArriveCan is the app that you can go on, and you have to put a time. You can only schedule 3 days out. You have to put a time frame in there. But when we were pushed over to the inspection part and then kicked out of Canada, he told us that the arrive time is like it's not a huge deal, so you don't have to worry about your arrive time. Put an estimated amount, but they're not going to not let you in if you have all your paperwork and you have everything right and you get there an hour after or an hour before or something. It's not a big deal.
And we'll be officially 3 hours after.
Yes, officially, if we get in. Officially.
Fingers crossed.
All right. Second try, getting into Canada, electric boogaloo.
We're in. I haven't been here in 2 years.
That's where we're going, Caesars.
2 years. Thank you, Rob. Explain.
Oh my God.
Why aren't you recording?
I am. Oh my God. Did y'all see that naked man coming out of that bank? Welcome to Canada. Holy shit.